Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name in Bigo Live. If you want to change your name and look cool, this video is for you. Open the Bigo Live in your phone. Then go to Chats, which is down, and go to this button in the top right corner and press on Edit Information. Scroll down until you find Name. Tap on it and remove all of these, and you can now go ahead and write down your name. After you're done, press Save, which is on the top hand corner, and if you want to change it again, you can tap on your name and change it. After clicking Save, your name will be saved. So this is how you change your name on Bigo Live. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.